Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both AirPods and your phone. Pair the AirPods, verify battery greater or equal to 50%, and open the translation app. Why do this first? Because uninterrupted audio and permissions avoid dropouts and missing mic input. Once paired, make sure the app selects AirPods as input/output. This sends clean audio to the service. If the app asks for language pairs, pick your source and target languages now. These actions let the app capture speech clearly and return real-time translated audio to your. Next, configure the app for real-time conversation. Choose the language pair and activate conversation or duplex mode so speech flows both ways. You do this because one-way modes force push-to-talk. Continuous modes create natural back and forth. Then set mic sensitivity to avoid clipping and ensure the app uses AirPods for both mic and audio out. Once done, position your phone where both speakers are heard or let them speak into the AirPods mic. This ensures cleaner recognition and faster translated playback. To complete the process, begin your conversation and follow a rhythm. Speak one sentence, pause for the translation, and listen. You do this because short phrases reduce recognition errors and latency. If translations lag or mishear, switch languages, reduce background noise, or have the speaker move closer to the mic. If problems persist, restart the app, repair AirPods, or toggle Bluetooth. This simple reset often fixes audio routing and permission glitches, so translations resume smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.